Hello everyone, and welcome to another session of Reiki. I'm your Reiki Master, Albert, and we're going to work on the heart chakra. The heart chakra. The heart? And the heart chakra are for ailments and diseases. Has to do with the immune system and the lymphatic, the central circulation system, and shoulders, hands, and arms. Okay, so that's what, and I'll put a listing in each description for each chakra. Okay, and these are individual chakras. So again, we're working on the heart. I want you to visualize the green glow on top of your head because we're going to ground. Okay, so I want you to take several deep breaths and say the word heart, 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 heart. Okay, focus on the green, and here we go. Okay, so now let the green glowing light flow down into your heart chakra. Hold it there, and I'll let you know to release it. Just hold it there. Take a deep breath, hold it right there. Okay, here we go. Okay, you can release. No, just take a deep breath and then release it down through your legs, all the way down. Push it down to the ground. Take a deep breath. Heart, heart, heart. Okay, now you're grounded. Simple ground. Okay, now focus on your intent. Okay, I gave you some suggestions. Just focus on it. You can look at the listing for the description. Okay, and focus on what's hurting you in your heart area. Okay, ailments and diseases. Okay, remember, seek medical advice. All right, this is I'm using life force energy to heal you, and also extra energy. It's a special kind of energy. I can't tell you what it is, but I'm just telling you it's to help heal you, so you get both Reiki and extra. Okay, let's begin. Focus on the intent. Visualize it. Focus. Okay. Take a deep breath again. Heart. Heart. Okay. Okay, take a deep breath. Heart. Heart. Again, take another deep breath. Heart. Okay, let me focus on the heart and the rear chakra in the back. Focus in the heart. Okay, take a deep breath. Heart, 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 heart. Watch this video over and over again, whatever heals you in the heart chakra. Okay. Focus on the intent. Focus the intent. Visualize it and focus. And also it's intent, visualize, and focus. Those are the three things you focus on. Okay. Thanks again for watching. Support the channel by subscribing. Okay. Now, Chant and bye for now.